Kaizer Chiefs have been hit with a hefty fines by the Premier Soccer League following unruly behavior by their supporters during a recent match against Mamelodi Sundowns. The incident occurred during their 2-1 loss at FNB Stadium on September 28, 2024, when fans threw objects onto the pitch after referee Kumbuso Gasa disallowed Edson Castillo's late equalizer. On Thursday, PSL prosecutor Azola Majavu confirmed that Kaizer Chiefs had appeared before the league's disciplinary committee to answer for the misconduct and said, "I can confirm that earlier today, Kaizer Chiefs Football Club appeared before the PSL disciplinary committee regarding the charges of spectator misbehavior, specifically for missile throwing during their match against Mamelodi Sundowns. The club pleaded guilty and was fined 100,000 rand, with half of that amount suspended, provided there is no repeat of such incidents before the end of the season." However, Majavu revealed that Chiefs also had an outstanding suspended fine of 100,000 rand from a similar offense last season. As a result, this additional penalty was reinstated. He further said that in total, Kaizer Chiefs will now pay 150,000 rand plus the administrative cost of today's proceedings. This incident highlights growing concerns over fan conduct at matches, putting further scrutiny on clubs to maintain order among their supporters. Chiefs will need to tread carefully for the remainder of the season to avoid further penalties. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.